In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit cookie banner in GoDaddy website. Let's get started at the very beginning. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type GoDaddy and press enter. From the results, click the official GoDaddy website. Once you're there, sign in to your account. Take a moment to make sure you're logging into the correct profile that manages the website you want to update. If you use two-step verification, complete that process so you can access your dashboard securely. After you're logged in, look to the top right of the page and click your username. From the drop-down, select My Products. This will take you to a list of everything in your account. Find the website you want to work on and click it to open the site editor. If you manage multiple sites, double-check you're opening the right one so you're editing the correct cookie banner. Inside the site editor, go to the top right and click Settings. This is where you'll find controls that affect your entire site, not just a single page. In the Settings panel, select Cookie Banner. This section is dedicated to the cookie consent notice visitors see when they land on your site. Now it's time to edit. Turn the banner on if it isn't already enabled. Update the message text so it clearly explains that your site uses cookies and why. Keep it friendly, brief, and easy to understand. If you have a privacy policy, make sure your message includes or links to it so visitors can learn more. Customize the buttons to match the experience you want to provide. Commonly, accept and, where appropriate, options like decline or manage settings. Choose the banner's position, such as bottom or top of the page, and adjust the style to fit your brand. Aim for good contrast and readability so visitors can see it without strain. Remember, your goal is transparency and usability. While you're not giving legal advice, aligning the language and choices with your region's privacy expectations is a smart move. When your changes look good, click Publish. Publishing pushes your updated cookie banner to your live site so real visitors will see it. Give the page a moment to update, and you're all set. If you return to the editor later, you can revisit settings and cookie banner to refine the text, styling, or button options anytime. And that's it. You opened GoDaddy, signed in, navigated to My Products, selected your site, went into settings, opened cookie banner, made your edits, and published. Simple, clear, and ready for your audience.